It is very important to maintain a heart health condition to prevent many deaths from heart diseases. The heart rate or pulse is measured in beats per minute (BPM). We can determine our target heart rate for running using a formula based on our age and maximum heart rate. If our heart rate reaches its maximum after we run, we need to exercise more for a healthy lifestyle. That's why we need the app Mi Fit, which can sync with Mi Band 3 smartwatch to measure our heart rate accurately and to keep track of our heart rate every time after we run.
Objective of this project is to use the application of IoT in our project. Second is to find out a person's heart rate, to learn how to use the connection of Mi Band 3 and Mi Fit apps to detect the heart rate of a person after running. To find out whether our JK coursemates are having a healthy heart based on their heart rate after running. And lastly, to improve a person's heart health if the heart rate of a person is not within the target heart rate, which is 100 to 170 BPM.
We use the application of IoT, which is the installation of app Mi Fit, which can sync with Mi Band 3 smartwatch, which can measure a person's heart rate accurately within 1 minute. This app can record all the heartbeat measured and record in the apps. In this experiment, we are targeting 15 of our Jackie's classmates who are around the age of 22 years old. We record them at different times because some of them are only available at that time. We will run at a track near FCAP. Each student should run at their own pace for 1 minute. After they run, they will use the app to measure their own heart rate. This step is repeated to collect data for 15 students. Their maximum heart rate that they should achieve is calculated. To calculate the maximum rate, their age is subtracted from 220. 220 minus 22 equals to 198 BPM. Their target heart rate should be between 100 to 170 BPM. If their heart rate exceeds 198 BPM, it means that their hearts need to be improved. After that, we use Microsoft Excel to construct a table based on the Mi Fit that we have received for our data to analyze the data by forming a bar chart based on the data that we have received. Then, we calculate the mean, median, and mode of the data, which is the heart rate of each person after their run.
The result obtained is tabulated and converted into a bar chart by using Microsoft Excel, which is as shown in the figure. The mean, median, and mode for this analysis are also calculated.
Based on our experiment to determine the heartbeat per minute after running to determine person's health condition, the experiment was successful since the average heartbeat per minute we collected is 128.53, which is within the range of target heartbeat rate, 100 to 170.